Hi everybody, welcome to Fast Home Brew. Today I'm just going to talk about my fermenter a little bit because people sometimes ask because it looks a bit different, so I'll show you what it's all about. So here we go, there's one of my fermenters next to a regular old fermenter. The regular one has a tap down the bottom here and an airlock. This airlock's an S-bend style one, and you put a little bit of liquid in there and the gas sort of seeps out one way but it doesn't let air back in the other way, so that's how it keeps everything safe on the inside. The fermenters you see me using though, these are the Coopers DIY fermenters, and it comes with this thing here which they call a Krausen collar, and it actually catches a lot of the gunk left over by the Krausen, so during fermentation when the Krausen collapses you can take that out and throw it in the dishwasher. It's got a lot of head space, so a big bed of CO2 will form on top of the beer to keep the beer protected. And when too much comes along, the lid is quite light, so it just kind of bubbles out the lid, and you don't even really notice anything going on at all. It can just sort of seep out there. So it also has come with two styles of taps, these little snap lock ones. This old style one here pushes together like that and goes in, and the new one kind of clicks in like this. So apparently they changed design because the manufacturer couldn't make the old one consistently enough that it didn't leak, but mine's always been fine, and actually slightly like the old one better. Oh, and if you've got this style of push and tap with these seals, you should always put a little bit of olive oil around the edge there just to sort of lubricate it, otherwise you can bugger up your seal. So what else can we use as a fermenter? Well, this is my cube, which is actually a plastic food grade container, so you could ferment in that if you wanted. You've also maybe once seen me ferment a very small batch in this stock pot, so I used that for a tiny batch of stout once, and in both cases all you need for an airlock is basically glad wrap over the top and a big rubber band around the outside. Also when I was making cider one time, I used balloons as airlocks. I taped balloons to the top of apple juice bottles and poked a little hole in the top, and they filled up with gas, and the gas got out the hole like that. So anyway, that's all I have to say about my fermenters. So thanks for watching this very short video. I'll get back to brewing sometime this year. Have a good one. Thanks for watching. Bye.